Welcome back. In this video, we will find the age of each of these employees. These are the employee names who are working for a company. We have the job title, first name, last name, university, and employee ID, and on which date they have joined. And also, we got the date of birth. So this is the date of birth of each of the employees. I need to find the age. To find the age, as of today, I need to use the function for the today. So I need to find the age as of today, right? So I'll use the function which is called as today. Open the bracket and close the bracket and enter. So today's date is 19 May 2024. Now I wanted to find the age. I have input the title as age. To find the age, first thing is I need to check if the formatting is correct. I need to check these two dates are properly formatted. It should not be in general, it should be in the date format. You can see the format is already in date. So this is also in date. If this is not in date, you can always go ahead and change the format. If it is in general number, you can change it to date, and you can change the type of the format from here. So let me use the function to find the age. I have to use the function which is called as DATEDIF. I will use the function DATEDIF. I need to select the cell reference for the date of birth. So this is the date of birth of the employee. From this date, I need to find from today's date what is the age. I have to choose the cell reference of today, which is I2, and I need to use comma again. I need to use double quote. Since I wanted to find in years, I have to enter Y and double quotes, then close the bracket, enter. I will get the age. So we got the age for Thea Reading. Since we have already used the function which is today, we can apply the same function for the other cells as well. I will double click on the plus icon here. It has applied the formula for all the cells. And also we have used the formula in the column J. We can use the same formula for all the cells. So simply double click. It will apply the formula for all the cells, and you got the age for all the employees who are working for a particular company. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.